Good morning everyone. Today we are now in the next topic, but before we started our discussion, I have a activity. So in our activity, I have envelope that, ang sulod sa envelope is mga picture of word na inyo ibuo. So after na inyo mabuo, dapat na mo one representative each group. So ang group ani kay duwara. So mo ni sa tubangan i-explain kung unsa ang inyong nabuo. Then after ang una nga maka-face dire sa tubangan, maka-receive of plus 5 points because in our ang criteria nato in this is that accuracy and matching skills is 15% and also 15% sa participation of completion, a total of 30%. Plus 5 points or 5% sa una nga maka-attach based on pro. So I will divide you into those. So please.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, kaya. 2, 1, 2,
1, 2.
So diri ang 1, diri ang group 2. So please proceed to your respective groups. Diri 1. So in your group also, please provide one word of sulat ang inyong member para dito. Do you remember? Kung sinsay representative sa group, dili sa inyo update, mayroon ako mag-start. Ready na, group 1?
Yes!
Ready na, group 2? Yes! So lahat ay dili po kayo mag-state. Kung muna i-discard yung mga inyong paspas ay hindi.
Ay, saan na lang?
Abiyak, mag-lubog na doon. Balik sa inyong grupo.
Uno, dos.
Ready na?
Yes!
Sir! Ready, go!
Ready, go.
Tulungan! May gunting mo. Nakataas yan. Nakataas.
Okay, group 1,
Dami yung representative.
Ge. 1 po.
Kataasan na anak kayo.
Let's go. Ako ba yan?
Gaya lang yun. Dali, nalawat ah.
Ako yung other
Ting!
awan ang hindi.
Ako na kay group 1 man, so please. explain kung saan nabulong ang word.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Let me explain to you that is a word that we arrange with which is indigenous. So connecting this word indigenous in our topic, which is an education, and the field of education. Indigenous is a group of people or a community with their own cultural identity, meaning they have their own language, they have their own beliefs and practices in their community. For example, Manobo, Blaan, Babubo. And in terms of education, it is very important that the education will be equally distributed among these IP community or the indigenous people community. Indigenous is indigenous, but let us remember that every one of us has an equal access to education. And this is very important to recognize for us to avoid discrimination among the community or among these people. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Group 1. Now, let's proceed to Group 2.
Human rights. So, human right means everyone has the right, for equity, education, and access for all. So that's why we don't criticize, we don't make stereotypes of people, and we need to give equal access, no? Huwag kayong manglamaan na siya.
Thank you, Group 2. So for this, today's topic, we have the RA 8371 or the Indigenous People Rights Act or the IPRA Law of 1997. So before we proceed to, before that, let us know what is the IPRA Law. So the IPRA Law, it is the law that recognizes the rights and to protect the indigenous people. Because in this law ay nakakaloob dito kung paano natin bigyan ng importansya o maprotektahan ang mga rights ng ating mga kapatid na membro ng indigenous people or mga tribes, for example mga Manobong and other tribes na that exist sa atin. And also in this law, it protects or give the benefits or kapangyarihan sa mga indigenous people to have their rights on their ancestral lands, self-governance, and social justice and cultural integrity. And this law also is created the National Commission on Indigenous People, which this commission ay namamahala para maprotektahan o mabigyan ng importansya kung ano man ang mga kinanaing o gusto na iparating ng ating mga kapatid na membro ng indigenous people. So for our next topic, we have 4 subtopics of this. For example, this rights to ancestral domain. So I will group you into 4 and you will creating a speech wire or sabayang pagbigkas, and I will give you 10 minutes to craft your pyesa na gagamitin, and I will give you also your topic. And for our criteria for this is that the vocal quality and synchronization is 15%, expression and the stage presence is 15%, and also the content interpretation or the creativity kung paano nyo ipapaiwatig or alam sa amin in the way of speech for ang inyong topic, which is 10%, a total of 14%. I will give you 10 minutes to craft. So I will group this sa isang word. What counts?
1, 2, 4, 1,
2,
3,
4, 1,
4, 3, 4, 4,
1,
2, 3, 4.
1. Play kagat.
So this is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Group 1, group 2. So for group 1, this is your topic, the rights to ancestral domain. For group 2, rights to self-governance and empowerment. And group 3 is the social justice and human rights. And the last group is cultural integrity.
Hindi pa balik sa
So group 1 is, isulat na lang ninyo yung topic. Mana group 1, group 2? For group 3 and 4. And also, please provide 1/4 para dito po na po So your time starts now. You have only 10. Group 1. Group 3 yung ano. Okay, group 4. Group 3. Group 1 of those
Practice na to. Speech billboard. Sama ni inom ba yung speech?
8 minutes and 40.
You have only 9 minutes.
Is it okay if we practice outside?
So now, proceed to our activity. So the first group to perform is the group 1. So please, have the front, present your work. And it's like think your
Guys, pwede ipakiggamay naman guys, pwede may mga
Movement ba yan? Para ba?
Tama presentation? Compress naman.
Paringan sa. Go. Cue.
Lights, camera, action.
Ako'y isinilang sa isang bayan na Cotabato. Lupang ninuno, aming karapatan. Lupang ninuno, aming tahanan. Yamang likas, aming kayamanan. Sa bawat bundok at kabatagan, nakataga ang aming kasaysayan. Bago pa dumating ang mga dayuhan, may lupang iningatan ang aming bayan. Sa ilog, gubat at kabundukan, doon umusbong ang aming pagkakakilanlan.
Hindi ito lupa na basta kukunin. Hindi ito yaman na basta aangkinin. Ito'y buhay na dapat palagayin. Karapatang hindi dapat tapakan o yurakan.
Sa lupang ito, kami isinilang. Sa lupang ito, kami namulat at nagkamalay. Dito inubog ang aming awit at sayaw. Dito nabuo ang kultura naming tunay.
Karapatan sa lupang ninuno, igalang at kilalanin ito. Hindi ito pabor na ibinibigay. Ito'y karapatan dapat ipaglaban. Ang lupa ay dangal, ang lupa ay buhay. Hindi ito bagay na basta't ipagbilit, ilaalay. Sa bawat puno aming inalagaan, may pangakong bukas na aming panghahawakan.
Kung ang lupa'y maagaw at masira, paano na ang kulturang minana?
Kung ang lupa'y tuluyang mawawala, saan pupulutin ang aming pag-asa?
Kami tatayo, kami lalaban sa nakaraang makatarungan at marangal. Ipatatanggol ang lupang hinana para sa susunod na salinlahit kabataan. Lupang niluno ay hindi kalakal. Ito'y kultura, ito'y dangal. Karapatan ng mga katutubo, ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman.
Lights, camera, action.
From the mountains, from the rivers, from the forests and ancestral lands, we rise.
We are the keepers of tradition.
We are the guardians of culture.
We are indigenous peoples, and our voices matters. Self-governance means we decide for our communities. Self-governance means we protect our ancestral lands. Self-governance means we honor our customs and elders.
It is our right to lead in our own way.
It is our right to preserve our language.
It is our right
to shape our future.
for generations. Our stories were whispered, our rights were ignored.
But today, we stand proud, we stand united, we stand empowered. Our culture is strength, our heritage is power, our identity is pride.
Empowerment is education, respect for our tradition.
It means participation in decisions that affect our lives.
It means equality without losing who we are. We claim our right to self-determination. We claim our right to protect our heritage. We claim our right to be heard.
Let's proceed to group 3.
Dami, buksan mo. Buksan mo.
Wala yung best player na si Johnny sa inyo.
Yay, kaya. Hindi na, sige. Don't be shy. Ay, dira ko buhat.
Okay, Ras. Lights. Camera. Action, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Okay. Lights, camera, action. Call over. We stand as one. We raise our voice.
single choice. Before the cities, before the fame, there was lives with culture, lands and name. The mountains echo, the rivers cry, ancestral land shall never die. By law, by right, by history's hand, we protect the people, we protect the land. We are the keepers of stories unfold, our language
And courage bold.
our language, dances and sacred flames are not for shame, are not a game. Our age declares it clear. Cultural rights we hold so dear. Respect our ways, our songs, our art, human rights from the very start. No longer silent, no longer small. We have a voice, we stand tall. Freedom prior informed consent. Our decision must be truly meant. No project built without our say. Justice walks the righteous way. We are not behind. We are part of the nation's mind.
That is defended.
Now the last group is the group 4.
Let the girls power
Lights, camera, action!
Guys, camera, action.
Roots that remember. We are the children of stories. We are the echoes of yesterday. Before the screens began to glow. Before the cities learned to roar. There were voices, there were drums, there were names whispered by the wind. From the mountains of Philippines to islands cradled by the sea, our ancestors carved identity in wood, in song, in memory. We wore our history, we spoke our truth, we lived our culture. But time marched on, fast, loud, unrelenting. New languages, new faces, new ways to be.
And we ask, must we forget to belong? Must we erase to be accepted?
No! Cultural identity is not a chain. It is a compass. It does not trap us in the past. It guides us through the present.
To honor our roots is not to resist change. It is to grow without losing the soil that feeds us.
We keep the dances alive.
We keep the languages breathing. We keep the stories burning bright. Because a people without memory is a tree without roots. So we stand, not divided by modern winds, but grounded in who we are. We carry the past, we shape the now, we protect tomorrow. For culture is our identity, and integrity is how we keep it alive.
Wala lagi yung pasolo si Ilan.
Thank you for each group for your participation. And for group 1, I've given them 36 points out of 40 points because in our criteria 1 in the vocal quality, so okay man, pero naay uban na hinay ang tingog. And also in the criteria 2, the stage presence and expression, naay uban nga mura nagbasa, wala giinukuan. So in the naman content is 10 points, so total of 36 points. So in group 2, I given them 39 points. Synchronization, makita na ba nato sila kung gusto mo ng tingog. But in the expression, na-isbad ka. Wala expression or wala makita ang presence sa ilang game. Tapos, in the interpretation of creativity, 10 then 39 points. In group 3,
Tawag ka na mo 10 points.
I've given them 35 points.
Sisa ba na
So yung uban na synchronization, 13% because naiuban na wala ng dunga, na pinapasay, kung pinsay sa unang musod.
Ano?
And then, and the expression also, naiuban na wala may, wala
Emotion daw lagi.
wala kayo emotion.
Dito to si Kissy.
Basta.
Babae.
And also 10 points sa kuhan creativity. Then in the last group, I've given them 35 points.
Isa ka sa din.
Because in the vocal and synchronization, makita rin na ito, sugod na ibuban na walang kadungan, amuban, nagyamyam, amuban, pinayuyaw. And the expression, amuban, nagtindog-tindog sa pagkawasa, sabayang pagbigkas ko na, amuban, and creativity, 20%, total of 25%. Now, you for your participation in our activity. So, in our activity, we discussed the 4 subtopics, which is the right to ancestral domain, the right of self-government and empowerment, and also the justice, the social justice and human rights, and the cultural integrity. So, in rights of ancestral domain, ang mga indigenous people ay they have the right to their ownership and also to control their ancestral land and how they control kung paano nila papalambuin kung ano ang nandun sa kanilang nasasakupan, and also they have the right to stay in their territory. So, meron silang karapatan kung meron gustong pahawa sa ila. Ang mga indigenous people have also the rights sa atong batas na ipaglaban nilang rights na magpabilin diyan nga territories. So, in our instance, for Surigao del Sur, we all know that there are many tribes or diverse linguistic na nandito na nag-exist sa Surigao del Sur. And we all know that in the Surigao del Sur is kalamang ang paggamit ng mga kabukiran na pangunahing bahay o tirahan ng mga indigenous people for mining or for their own benefits lamang. So, meron karapatan ng mga indigenous people na ipaglaban ang kanilang territory and also ipaglaban ang kanilang own ownership or ang mga natural resources na nandun sa kanilang nasasakupan. And also, they have the right to avail the basic necessities to our government, and the government must give the full support toward to our indigenous people, for example, in giving them air, water, food, shelter, or basic necessities like electricity. So, and also by this, must the government give full support on this. And next, we have the right to self-governance and empowerment. So, in this, the indigenous people or in the indigenous cultural community na mga indigenous na naninirahan has also right to give them importance in the way of giving implementing the law to give their benefits and also to ipaglaban ang kanilang rights and this maintain their own justice system. So, meron din silang karapatan na in that particular area, meron silang sariling batas according to their customs or belief. Dira, kung nga sila belief na kung makasala ka, pawag ka dira ang area, so mukubi ka sa inyong leader dira or ikaw dadako. And also in this meron din dapat bigyan ng empowerment ang ating mga kapatid na membro ng indigenous people. And next, we have the social justice and human rights. And we all know that in this day, kapag nakakita tayo ng mga tribes or mga indigenous people, murag atong perception ba murag lahi sila, ang uban discriminate. But in this, we must give them equal treatment or opportunities. So equal protection and non-discrimination towards our mga kapatid na membro ng IPs or indigenous people, and discrimination against ICCS or IPs on the terms and conditions of employment and denial of benefits. So if ikaw ay membro ng IPs, dapat bigyan natin sila ng equal opportunities. So dapat equal ang treatment. If mag-apply sila o trabaho, di na to sila discriminated. Dirang tuntog ang kung ilang social status as a IPs ato i-discriminate sila or di na to tagang equal opportunities na makatrabaho sila or gain of benefits towards panghatag sa gobyerno. And also equal rights for women, children, and children. Next is cultural integrity, protection of indigenous culture, tradition, and institution. So we must give importance also or respect nato kung sa ilang mga traditions, kung sa ilang customs, or kung sa ilang in the institution na naadira kung sa ilang panginabuhian or ilang adlaw-adlaw dapat ato i-respeto because dapat maghatag ta og equal na respeto para sa ila. Di na to sila ituring nga IP sila, lahi sila sa tuwa. And also give them educational system. So nowadays, nanay uban nga mga tribe nga nanay literate na or nanay sakto nga education. So ang gobyerno maghatag og saktong education para sa ila para mas madami pa nila kini na butang para makakuha og trabaho, opportunities kung magamit sila sa pag-adlaw na kinabuhi. And also the recognition of cultural diversity, community, intellectual rights dapat ato respetuhon, rights to IESP, access to biological and genetic resources, and sustainable agro-technical development, right to receive from national government and fund the archaeological and historical sites. So the government or in this law also gives a full support or give benefits towards to indigenous people para masustentuhan nila ang ilang ancestral domain, ang mga natural resources gikan sa paghatagpan sa gobyerno, so magamit nila kini para mas mapalambot pa o magamit pa nila silang pag-adlaw-adlaw na kinabuhi. So in conclusion, this IPRAC law gives the importance and rights of being indigenous people because we all know na ang uban kay asa una pa nga dili pa ilado pa nga batas kay uban dili nila tagaan samot lang kanang mga nasa kapangyarihan instead na muingon na tagaan ta mo basta moawa lang mo ani para daw sa kalambuan niya ng lugar pero ang pangutanan nilambo ba ang lugar o sila ra ang nilambo. For example, in the Surigao del Sur, dugay naman yun dugay naman yun diri sa Surigao del Sur pero some of the mga opisyalis na nakasalitang katulungan. So, we all know that kalabang ito ang mining, ang uban ay mga firmo, hindi susugot sa mining. So, imbes nga mo lang po pa sa Surigao del Sur, pero mas maot pa nila, or bilang basta pamaot pa nila. For example, atong yaming Bagyo, makita naman nato in the part of District 2, which is in the Yanga, padulong sa Lanusa, na ibagyo, makita na ito mga floods. Ingon nila na the flood control, pero mura magwala. Wala mabati sa Surigao del Sur na ang kalambuan para din sa ila. Or para lang po siguro to sa mga opisyalis na sila right ilambo niya to. So, for example, when I was an engineering student in the main campus, I have a classmate na taga Carumata, San Miguel. We had to be sa San Miguel because of our project nato in chemistry for engineers na nakuha dito na makita yun na ko dito ang palangga yun nila ang mga drive kaya na-try na sila benefits pero makita ko din mo ang downside bitaw na murang gipalangga mo pero gigamit ra mo kay pero gigamit ra mo because their resources gigamit sa gobyerno kay according ato niya kay para daw mo lang pero pila naman ka digada pero mura naman wala
Ako yung gusto ko sana ko dito lang.
Eliza pa lang talaga.
So, yung anak namin, parang kabangan daw, pero sila naman ang ulos niya. So, in this job, it gives protection and rights towards the indigenous people na ipaglaban ang ilang karapatan, ang ilang ancestral homes or domains, and also their mga natural resources na anak ang ilang lugar. And that's all for my report. And I hope to have some information.